Hi there, South Florida. We are tracking the tropics. Tropical Depression 19 has become a tropical storm. This is a 2 p.m. advisory. Now, the maximum sustained winds are at 40 miles per hour. So it is a weak tropical storm. You'll notice we are not under a warning as far as tropical storm warning goes, because eventually the center of Sally will continue to move farther and farther away as it's moving towards the west direction. But Sally is definitely producing a lot of rainfall. Also, this system, Sally, is expected to upgrade to a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon somewhere along the Gulf Coast between Louisiana and the Florida Panhandle. Now, what does this mean for us now that it's a tropical storm? Well, winds, at least wind gusts, are a little stronger. But let's focus on the rainfall, because a real-time Doppler notices widespread rain, especially for the Keys, where Marathon has already received over 5 inches of rainfall just today, since the start of today, and even higher amounts than that already for other areas in the upper Keys, like near Islamorada. So look at these flood advisories. This includes Key West all the way up through the 7 Mile Bridge, and also Duck Key all the way up through Islamorada. You have been under this flood advisory since at least around 7 a.m. this morning, and it continues. It has been extended till 3 p.m. I'm going to pull up this full so you can see a full screen of the rainfall. Notice we're going to be dealing with this for quite some time, so I would say much of today will be definitely wet, and flooding is a major concern for the Keys. Now, for southern Dade, you're getting also rounds of moderate rainfall, not as heavy as what's happening in the Keys, and there's actually quite a bit of a break in between these bands of rainfall in parts of northern Dade up through Broward. But now a big swath from Tamarack down into Hollywood will bring us some rain, at least for the next 20 minutes. Rainfall amounts can range anywhere between 2 to 4 inches by tomorrow morning, but of course a locally higher amounts expected. We're already seeing that for parts of the middle and upper Keys. So even more rainfall throughout today will top whatever we've received already. So again, the major threat as far as flooding goes is mainly for the Keys, but of course flood watch, I do want to mention, is in effect not just for the Keys but also up through southern parts of Florida. We also have the threat for severe thunderstorms, isolated severe thunderstorms that could produce frequent lightning, gusty winds, and an isolated tornado. Lots of lightning strikes could be out there, so keep that in mind. And let's talk about the winds, because now that we're talking about a tropical storm, wind speeds are topping 20 to 23 miles per hour from Miami up through Pompano Beach. And look at these wind gusts, over 30 miles per hour at times. I will say that as we continue on through the rest of today, at least by tonight to tomorrow morning, these winds will start to subside. But of course, the rain will continue. And then tomorrow, we'll probably see some spotty showers and thunderstorms. So for today, be careful out there. Take the rain gear with you if you're going to be driving out and about. Pack the patience, and of course, drive extra slowly on those wet roadways, and don't go into those flooded roadways either. We're going to have more. Stay tuned to CBS 4, and you can join meteorologist Dave Warren. He's going to have the latest updates on Tropical Storm Sally throughout this evening.